Alright guys, the last video you've seen that stuff didn't work out, but I just pulled these out. We just got home from Cars and Coffee. That was the last video. And just got everything out. Gonna bring them to my upholstery guy. And now I don't have to worry about anything being wrong with them because he knows what he's doing. So we did get the bottom cover done, which obviously is the easiest, but I'm just gonna have him look it over. And here's a little before of them, what they look like. And I'll get an after once we get the new ones on. But they have a little bit of wear for the age. They're not too bad. The back seat's pretty dang nice. Most cars are nice in the back though. So let's get him out, get him to his house, and see what happens. Well guys, just picked up the back seats. They're all wrapped up. I'm about to unwrap them and put the seats in there. I gotta get the bracket back on it and stuff. So we're about to see how nice they look. Kind of excited. So I'll show you once I get them installed what they look like. Well, got the seat all installed. Looks amazing. Bad lighting in here, but did an awesome job. Everything lines up perfect. And just waiting on the front seats. The bottom has white things that the cushions sit on. They're stretched out, so that's what we're waiting on, I believe. But at least we got one done. And the others will be done here probably a day or two. And then I'll throw those in. Looking forward to it. Gotta interrupt this video. Give a shout out to Rob from Kentucky. He shipped me his calipers. He watches my videos and he wanted me to paint his. So we did Sonic Blue with White Cobra. And then we did the brackets, the cast iron look. So they look bare, and they turned out pretty good. We're about to clear them, and I'll show you the end result. Here they are, all done for them. Turned out awesome. They're Sonic Blue, White Cobra lettering, and then the brackets are cast iron look, so kind of like a bear. And I just cleared them so they stay clean, but they turned out sweet. Pretty nice. So shout out to him for shipping these to me and having them do them. And can't wait to see them on the car. All right, guys. We have another little box opening that came in the mail today. I actually bought these before we even picked the car up. And they just came. So they took forever. Something very small for the pace car, but something that I've been hoping they'd come here sooner because they're kind of a necessity. Yeah, it really has a package good. Right there, boys. Struts for the hatch. I didn't know it came in quantity of 2, so I bought 4, I guess. So now I got extras. But the hatches are really heavy without these, so kind of happy they finally came. So let's throw them on. The little things like this that are what you think is stupid for buying for a project, but so nice once you have it. Because I was afraid to vacuum this thing with the broom, because you know when they fall you pretty much die. Look at that, they even work. Beautiful. You never had struts bad on one of these. The hatches weigh like 300 pounds, it feels like. There we go, one more thing checked off the list. As you can see, there's still no seats, front seats anyway. Still waiting on some stuff to come in the mail. The elastic bands under the seat that you sit in were bad, so I had to order some. All right, guys, we got a few box openings. I know I've been doing a lot of these, but some of you like it, it's kind of fun. I already opened this one. It's the straps for the Recaro seats. They stretch underneath where you sit, and the white ones that are original on my seats were really bad, so I ordered these off eBay. I believe they were $40 for both sides, so that's not too bad. Letty's here, she wanted to help me open the box, see what I got. This is all for the pace car, for these box openings. So that's what car they're going in. Show them what it is. Hold it up. Is it heavy?
Oh yeah, yes, I'll use this one. I'll hold it now.
You know what it is?
Nope.
So I told you guys I wanted to do everything under the hood red and black. Hold on, let's pull them out.
Can I hold it?
So I ordered the black ones. Hopefully they're black. Watch out. It's funny that I got these because when I was in high school, I dreamed of buying these. They were 150 bucks at the time. Now they're only 140, I think. And now I got them years and years later. There they are. Pretty sweet. They look good with the Canon filter and the MSD. That's what I was going for.
Daddy,
Like it?
yeah.
Alright, let's open the next one.
Yeah. This is cool. Oh, I can do it.
What are they?
They are some. So there's some. So there's things like some curvy things. I don't know what for.
It's for the exhaust.
It's for the exhaust.
Yes, I will clean them after I install them. I shouldn't touch them with my bare hands because they'll discolor from the oil, but they're the cheap eBay headers off eBay for, I think they're $100 shipped for the pair, which is like, why would you buy them? But I bought these in high school, and when I just bought the car back, they still look really good. So like, they're high quality headers for what they are, and I'm not going crazy build with this car. So I bought them again because I I can honestly say I used them and they work great. So those will look really good, especially with the valve covers. And it's a factory replacement for the shorty headers, so I don't got to redo the whole exhaust. Those bolt right on. So a couple little pieces coming for the pace car to spicing it up a little bit. And they'll both look really good. And then I also got my license plates in the mail today for it. You want to show them?
Yeah.
Pull it out slow. Make them wait a little bit. Ready?
Yeah, you lift it, I'll show you.
There it is.
Dad,
79 Indy.
Dad, you should get a rainbow package. It would be even cuter.
A rainbow?
Yeah.
She wants me to put a rainbow on the license plate.
Yeah, back of it.
But that's what I got for the plates. Thought it fit it pretty well. Like I said, the stickers are going to go back on it. So,
he needs some unicorns in there.
Unicorns?
Unicorns and rainbows.
Few box openings today, so let me know what you think of my decision on doing underneath red. I kind of think the red and the pewter will kind of go together well. I'm also going to do the sway bars in red and maybe the control arms for the rear end. I'm not sure yet. So let me know what you think. Alright guys, I was too excited. I already installed the driver's seat. The headrests I don't have put in yet, but I just vacuumed the carpet for the final time before I put the seat in. Got the passenger seat here. I just got to put the little plastic pieces on the sides. Let's say Recaro, and then these two headrests are the ones I'm going to use. So they don't show any sign of being white, but the ones in the 82 are white. So if you know anything about these old Recaros, did they have two different options? Because I almost dyed these white, and then I said screw it, since we dug in the bottom here and looked underneath, and there's no sign of them ever being white. So I'm leaving them black. So educate me if you know. But I'm about to throw this seat in, and we're gonna see what the final product looks like. These are really high-end seat covers and cushions. I'm very pleased with them. $1,500 seems like a lot of money, but they speak for themselves. If you have a nice car and your seats are worn out, highly recommend them. They're really nice. So that's just my opinion. So let's get the seat in and see what it looks like. Let's get her bolted in. Another late night. You can see sun's just going down. It's almost 10 o'clock, or it might be by now, but put that one headrest in, the one good one. This one I left out. But you can see the seats look pretty dang nice. Match the rest of the interior now. Interior is pretty nice in this car. But I left that one seat out, or the headrest out, that I was telling you about, because I got to figure out how to get, I want those tucked back in there, and then I'm going to glue them so they look better. But she's pretty minty now. I'm pretty happy that I ordered them. You've seen the original ones weren't like holy or too bad, but man, look how nice that looks now. Matches the rest of the interior, how nice and clean it is. And also, if you're a pace car guy, I think I know the answer. Pretty sure this emblem is supposed to be over there, but it doesn't show no sign. There's no wear over there like it's ever been over there. So did some of them come here? Let me know in the comments. But as you can see, everything's really nice now. There's one little flaw in the dash right there. So I'll probably get a new dash pad eventually, but Now we just got the headliner to do. See where the light goes. It's kind of nasty, but pretty happy with the seats. Comfy. So yeah, we're gonna do the headliner next. And then I gotta glue these, letting it sit out in the sun. 105 degrees the past couple days, the glue let go. But yeah, if you're thinking about the TMI seat covers, I say go for it, because they're nice. So that's a little wrap on the seats, and I think I'm gonna wrap the video up with this one. Shorter video this time, because I didn't do much because I couldn't move the car, you know. The car's been held up with no seats, so I just kept been pulling it in and out. Had a bad storm the other night, so I put 4 deep in the 3 stall. It's pretty tight, but now I'm just gonna keep parking here and letting it leak the power steering fluid down the ground. We did get the rebuild kit for the rack and pinion, so I'm gonna find one of my buddies that's rebuilt one before, because I never have, see if they'll help me. And then I think we're gonna yank the motor out so I can paint it black like for those valve cars we just got. So a lot of work left. It's starting to be my own car. I'm starting to put work in. So let me know in the comments what you think of everything so far. And also, if somebody has a headrest, I need one for the 82. Since I like these seat covers, we're gonna order the same ones for the 82. This chunk's missing. I had the same guy that put these covers in strip the seats because they're gross. I'm gonna have all this metal stuff sandblasted and powder coated flat black before the covers come in, so they'll be all brand new. But yes, if you guys have Recaro seat headrests, 1 or 2, I don't care, I'll buy it. So hit me up in the comments, get my phone number, find me on Instagram, and I'll purchase that. So again, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.